welcome to the periodic table. Again, hopefully. This periodic table is really simple. All the metals are here in peach, I guess. Then the cream color ones are your metalloids. They have properties of metals and nonmetals. And the green ones are your nonmetals. All known elements. You're required to know from hydrogen to krypton, the name of the symbols. But I also will throw in some things that are important like tin, silver Ag, um, mercury Hg, lead Pb, tungsten W. Those are the ones you pretty much know. You should know 1 to 36, and tin, mercury, gold, lead. So here's all the important arrangements. Know that the valence electrons, the number of exterior electrons, what you can see, because remember atoms have shells, the numbers are all the same. So all the elements in this first period 1 have 1 electron on the outside. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Beryllium, same thing. Now they have 2 electrons on the outside. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. The metals in the middle, from scandium to zinc, are transitions. It varies. But same thing applies for boron and helium, nitrogen, neon, argon. This is the noble gases. They have complete shells. But fluorine has 7 electrons. Oxygen has 6. Nitrogen has 5. Okay, so that's the amazing thing about it. The periodic table was developed. First, you had Johann Dobereiner, a German chemist. He wanted the law of triad, and he grouped them into threes. He was close, but not. It goes beyond that. Then you have Newland's law of octaves. He wanted to do it in terms of mass, but there was a pattern. Dimitri, so he did the symbols and atomic mass of each of the 63 known elements, and he tried to show the repeating properties. So they're arranged in families called groups and periods. A period is up and down, a group is left and right. The group is a vertical, the period is a horizontal. Elements in the group, elements in similar groups have good properties. Okay, that's confusing. Basically, each row, the elements have the same properties as the other elements. They have the same number of electrons. They also divide in terms of liquids and gases. Okay, so some are metals, some are metalloids, and some are nonmetals. We'll talk about that later. Here are your solid, liquids, and gases. Everything in black is a solid. Most of your nonmetals are gases. There are some exceptions: carbon, phosphorus. I will probably ask you that question, but I'll also give you a periodic table. You should be able to look at the periodic table and know basically what's a liquid, solid, and gas. Here are your your metalloids. They are silicon, germanium. They're basically anything that has metallic properties and non-metal properties. Your metals. And when you think of a metal, I think of a paper clip. You can bend it, you can make it into wire, carries a charge, transmit heat. Non-metals, helium, nitrogen, I think of chalk. Brittle, it's not shiny, it's dull. It doesn't transmit electricity, it doesn't transmit heat. So think of plastic. Then you have your metalloids, which have similar properties, can do either a little bit of both.